2 times coiling. After the first spoke is pierced through any hole of the motor, another spoke is pierced through another hole. The other side starts on the right side below the corresponding spoke and penetrates from top to bottom, with every other hole perforating a spoke. Reverse the motor and thread the spokes from top to bottom into the empty hole. Fixed wheels. The first spoke enters through the first hole on the right side of the vent. This is the key spoke, and its placement determines the position of all the other spokes. Move number 1 spoke 2 holes clockwise and screw it into half of the spoke cap. 4th from the left. Spoke number 4, pressing against spoke number 1. And so on. Screw in 1/2 of the spoke caps. Dishing centering the center line of the wheels is at the middle point of the front fork or the rear triangle of the frame. Adjusting it can make the front and rear wheels move along the same straight line. If the wheel frame is biased to the left or right, it is difficult to control and ride. Check the distance of the center positioning tool to measure the distance from the sides of the wheel to the motor. Lateral truing. Put the wheels on the shelf and observe the horizontal gap between the wheels. It is easy to determine whether there is a deviation. Use a wrench to tighten or relax the spokes to control the side swing of the wheel frame section. Generally, the gap is within 1 millimeter, and the severe deviation will be grinded to your frame or front fork, and the wheels will deform. Radial truing. If the wheels are not round enough, when rotating, the wheels will jump up and down with rotation. When working at a high speed, you can't even support the handle, which will seriously affect the speed. Spoke tension. Tension of spoke refers to the tightness of the spokes. You can use the spoke tension tool to measure and press the spoke bars by the spring to test the side bending value of the spoke bars. Tighten the left spoke cap, the wheels will be left. Tighten the right spoke cap, the wheels will be right.